Nope.
See the roughness right there? That's where they're using a grinder or something that kind of got into it a little bit. That's no big deal. You'll be able to get all that out. These work real good for that. See it take them deep gouges out? Go that way, you see they're still there. Keep working it and they slowly come out. Right here you can use the edge of it. Kind of gets in that corner. It gets caked up pretty quick, so to see that's aluminum that it's taken off of here. It's getting caked up in here, so you gotta switch these out pretty regular. It's still cutting a little bit. Sometimes you want one that's a little bit wore out for certain areas so it don't cut too much, like up in these corners. Turn it around like that. Then we're gonna come back in a minute, we're gonna flip it around. Go that way and just kind of work it. So that's what you do. There's a lot of primer on here. It doesn't matter if you sand past this where it just stops, it doesn't matter. You can sand more. There's a lot of primer on here. Okay. Now, see how it turned that color right there? Mm-hmm. That's okay. That's the edge primer, right? Because that was a darker color. So that's not black stuff like this. I just went through the gray primer to the edge primer, so that's okay. But when you get to that point, just stop, don't go any further, okay? Because there's only one coat of edge primer on there. The part that sucks is getting up in these areas. Put it on in here. Okay, all these colors make a color. So 390 is platinum. So 390 is platinum. It's a platinum silver right there. We got a fine, brilliant, and we got a coarse over here. So we'll put this really coarse silver in there. It's got a lot of big sparkle. See, it's a real high sparkle. Mm-hmm. You put like a flashlight to that, it would be super sparkly. Next, translucent azure blue, number 351. Pretty cool looking blue.
Don't do too much.
For just a couple of drops, huh? I'll give you one more drop just for fun. And last but not least, the water.
What does the water do?
Basically, this is water-based paint. So basically, it thins the paint. Pour it out fast.
It's more liquidy.
Yeah, this is water-based paint. It's going to be pretty thin. It's more. This is more like a reducer. It's kind of a water. It's basically water is what it is. I'm going to stir this, and it's going to be the color. Lots of sparkle. Winter Circle Clear, special made. It has a cooling agent in it. It cools the fuel as it goes in the intake. Nobody else has that. I invented it just for us. It makes the car super consistent. Not that we need it because we hold 4 or 5 anyway.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know how you think it turned out. Huge thanks to my dad. He worked his ass off on that thing. Took us a long time. I don't even know how long. Love you, Dad. Thank you so much. And I'm actually chilling here with the car right now. Got a race tomorrow. I'm at Extreme Raceway Park. And you guys better believe I'm going to get a race vlog in for you guys. So stay tuned for that. And remember, don't take too much stripe. If you ain't getting there, cut them loose.